Hey guys, today I am going to be showing you a super cool science experiment. So let's get into it. So for this science experiment, you're going to need vinegar, water, salt, and a dirty penny and a clean penny. So what you're first going to do is you're going to fill up your measurement tool up to 20 milliliters 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to add 120 milliliter of water. Then you are going to add a pinch of salt. And after that, you are going to add your dirty penny and your clean penny. And you have to wait a few minutes to see what happens. Hey guys, I'm back with the results of the dirty penny and the clean penny with the vinegar, the water, and the salt. So it turns out the mixture actually cleans the pennies, and I'm gonna show you for yourself. So you're gonna need the 2 dirty pennies, and you're gonna put them in, and you can wait and they'll get even cleaner. And while that's happening, pop quiz is this mixture a physical or a chemical change? If you guessed chemical change, you were right. Look at these pennies. Thanks for watching.